Well, everybody, it's been a minute. I realized one of my videos started to get some traction. That's cool. Just to give you some previews as to what's coming. One, I actually paid some money to outfit my GoPro a little bit more, so it's kind of nice now. It's kind of ridiculous. Makes me feel like a poser. But we got things coming like this. Holy crap. And like this. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. See the little... Oh, yes. Yes, my precious. And it's very windy here today. And I bought a smoker. So I'm going to try my hand at smoking a pork butt this weekend. Expect some videos for that. I need to try out a few things. Sorry, I'm jiggling the crap out of this. I'm going to try out a few different heat sources. By that I mean different types of wood. I've got some hardwood from the wood pile. You thought off the mountain was just a joke? No, really. We kind of need wood sometimes. We lose power here every so often, and we don't have a backup generator yet. Something I need to do. But at any rate, that's what's coming. Stay tuned.